Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to renew your LLC in Georgia. The first step is to gather what you need. This depends on whether you want to make changes to your business information and whether you are current on your annual registration fees. If no changes are needed and your fees are current, the process is simple. Otherwise, make sure you have all your business details and any past fees ready. Next, decide if you want to file a multi-year registration. Georgia lets you file for 1, 2, or 3 years. Filing for multiple years can save time and reduce reminders from the Secretary of State. You can file your annual registration in 3 ways. One-click registration is quick if nothing has changed. Online services let you update information during filing. Filing by mail is also an option if you prefer paper forms. The method depends on whether you need to make changes and if your fees are current. After filing online, you should get an email with your updated registration and receipt. By mail, it may take 3 to 4 weeks. If you do not receive confirmation, contact the Georgia Corporations Division of the Secretary of State. Following these steps keeps your LLC active and in good standing in Georgia. Thanks for watching.